Hello friends, today is the video about 8 healthy substitutes of wheat chapati to include in winter diet. Healthy wheat roti alternatives. While wheat may be used in a lot of our diets, their diversity will provide essential nutrients and health benefits, particularly over winter. Here are 8 healthy alternatives to wheat grain which not only provide nutrients density but also warmth when eaten during the cold seasons. Millets. Millets which include pearl millet or bajra, finger millet or ragi, and foxtail millet are fantastic alternatives to wheat, rich in fiber, protein and iron. They facilitate digestion and keep you energetic during the chilly seasons. Bajra is especially good for generating body's heat, so it is great for consumption during winter. You can prepare rotis, porridge or even desserts for millets. Barley jaw. Barley is another healthy alternative rich in fiber, magnesium and antioxidant. It can control blood sugar and help to improve the heart's health. Barley can be made into soups, stew, and even barley flour rotis during winter for wholesome meal. Its warming quality make it a staple cold climate. Buckwheat kuttu. Buckwheat is commonly used in fantastic periods of India. It is protein rich and gluten free with high fiber and essential minerals, magnesium and manganese. It warms the body and increase the immune level of the human body. It is the best grain for the winter season. You may make buckwheat pancakes, porridge or may use its flour to make rotis. Amrat, Rajagra. Amrat is a super grain packed with protein, calcium and iron. Its warming properties make it ideal for diets during winter. Amrat can be taken in different forms, either as porridge, in soups or in flour form. Its nutty flavor gives you dishes a unique taste. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids with gluten-free and is rich in fiber, iron and magnesium, all of which are very important to keep people's energy levels steady during winter. Boil quinoa and use in salad, soups or in place of rice to give a healthy turn to your food intake. Corn, makka. Cornmeal or makki ka atta is a winter favorite in India, especially in the form of makki di roti paired with sarson ka saag. Being rich in carbohydrates and fiber, corn provides for energy as well as aids digestion. It is a grain that has a warming effect and therefore fine into diet needed during winter. Sorghum. Another is sorghum, rich in antioxidant, protein and dietary fiber, which helps in digestion and heart health. Such product is very apt for winter meals. The flour could be even be used to make rotis, pancakes or baked goods. Oats. Oats are an excellent substitute for wheat. They are nutritious and versatile in their content, rich in soluble fiber and antioxidant. They are especially good at keeping cholesterol levels in check. Winters are the perfect time for a bowl of oatmeal or oats porridge with seasonal fruits and nuts. Thank you friends. Do like and share this video with your friends and relatives. And please subscribe my healthy lifestyle channel if you have not subscribed it.